Hey there, it's Ryan Strittmather with Grayscale Capital, and we're standing here in front of a property that we just recently bought on Treadway Avenue in the Old Brooklyn neighborhood of Cleveland, Ohio. Let's go check it out. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-family home with a 2-car detached garage. And from the outside, you might not know the difficult situation that came with it. The seller, Roger, was facing a looming foreclosure when he found us. He had gone to Google looking for a solution, not knowing if there even was one. After a few tough years, job losses during COVID, a disability that limited his ability to work, and mounting bills, Roger had fallen over $32,000 behind on his mortgage. Despite his best efforts, reinstating the loan multiple times, and working with the bank to restructure his payments, he just couldn't keep up. On top of the mortgage, his utility bills were piling up and credit card debt had started to grow. Those utility balances eventually got tacked onto his property taxes, and delinquent credit cards started placing liens against the home. So not only did the mortgage need to be paid off at closing, but so did the utilities, credit cards, and property taxes. That adds a lot of complexity and requires significant coordination with the title company to track down accurate lien payoffs, often on very short timelines. Roger had already tried listing the home with an agent, but the offers were either way too low or from buyers who couldn't close quick enough. Plus, the condition of the home made it ineligible for traditional bank financing, and so he was stuck. And when we say stuck, we mean really stuck. Because when Roger reached out to us, the foreclosure auction was just 6 days away. That was a Tuesday. We were at his house within an hour though. He told us all about his situation, and we listened. We took the time to understand his story, his goals, and what he was hoping for. Then we got to work. We used a unique strategy, combining a short sale with one of our alternative exit strategies to make a strong, creative offer. One that not only paid off all of Roger's liens, but still put about $12,000 in his pocket to help with the next chapter of his life when no one else could help. And here's the kicker. We closed in just 4 days on that Friday, 2 days before the foreclosure auction. But we didn't stop there. Roger didn't have a place lined up yet, and moving immediately wasn't possible. So we let him stay in the home for 60 days after closing, completely rent-free, to give him the breathing room he needed to transition smoothly. That's what we mean when we say we're here to help. At Grayscale Capital, we're committed to being a trustworthy and reliable partner for families in Cleveland. Whether you're dealing with foreclosure, probate, inherited property, or just need to sell fast, we've got your back. When you choose to sell your house to us, you get the certainty of a 100% closing rate guarantee. Yes, you heard that right. Few companies can match our track record, experience, and commitment. We don't just buy houses, we solve problems, and we do what we say we're going to do. All right, thanks for going through that house with me. I hope that provided some good insight as to the type of properties that we buy. If you have a house in Cleveland or the surrounding area that you're ready to sell or just exploring your options, feel free to call or text us at 216-677-4810 or visit our website at www.grayscale-capital.com and fill out our easy-to-use form and get your fair, no obligation cash offer today. I'm excited for the opportunity to work with you. Thank you.